Castella cake, a typical Japanese dessert. Castella cake is a traditional Japanese sponge cake that has been enjoyed for centuries. This light and fluffy cake is made with simple ingredients, including eggs, sugar, flour, and honey. The history of Castella cake can be traced back to the 16th century, when Portuguese merchants introduced sponge cake to Japan. Over time, the Japanese adapted the recipe to suit their own tea. One of the key features of Castella cake is its distinctive shape. The cake is typically rectangular in shape, with a smooth and glossy surface that is achieved by brushing the surface with. Castella cake is often enjoyed as a dessert or snack, and is commonly served with a cup of green tea. It is also a popular gift item in Japan, especially during special occasions such as Wed. Despite its simple ingredients, Castella cake requires a careful and precise technique to achieve the perfect texture and flavor. The eggs must be beaten to just the right consistency, and tea. In recent years, there has been a growing trend towards creating new and innovative twists on the traditional Castella cake recipe. Some chefs and bakers have started incorporating different. Castella cake has become so popular in Japan that it has also spread to other parts of the world. In fact, Castella cake is now enjoyed in many countries around the globe, including China. One of the reasons for the popularity of Castella cake is its versatility. Despite its traditional shape and flavor, Castella cake can be adapted to suit a wide range of tastes and preference. In addition to its adaptability, Castella cake is also a relatively healthy dessert option. Unlike many other cakes and pastries, Castella cake is low in fat and high in protein, thanks to tea. Another interesting aspect of Castella cake is the way it is traditionally packaged and presented. In Japan, Castella cake is often sold in beautifully decorated boxes, making it the perfect. Making Castella cake may seem simple, but it requires a lot of skill and attention to detail. The eggs have to be separated and beaten until they reach a specific consistency, which can take. A key step in making Castella cake is wrapping the cake while it is still warm. This helps to retain moisture and prevent the cake from drying out. The cake is wrapped tightly in plastic wrap. While Castella cake is traditionally enjoyed on its own or with a cup of green tea, it can also be served with a variety of toppings and accompaniments. Some people like to dust the cake with. In addition to its delicious flavor and unique texture, Castella cake also has a rich cultural significance in Japan. It is often enjoyed during special occasions and celebrations, and is While Castella cake is most commonly associated with Japan, it has also become a popular dessert in other parts of Asia, including Taiwan, China, and South Korea. In these countries, In recent years, there has also been a growing trend towards creating creative and innovative variations on the traditional Castella cake recipe. Some bakers have started incorporating In addition to its popularity as a dessert, Castella cake has also been used in other culinary applications. For example, some chefs have used Castella cake as a base for French toast. Wow! Despite its versatility and popularity, Castella cake remains a beloved and iconic dessert in Japanese culinary tradition. Its delicate texture, subtle sweetness, and unique shape continue to. In recent years, the popularity of Castella cake has spread beyond Asia and into other parts of the world. In the United States and Europe, Castella cake is often sold at Japanese specialty